The emergence of Pilates, a historical insight. Pilates, a system of exercises designed to enhance physical strength, flexibility, and posture, has become a cornerstone in the realm of fitness and wellness. Despite its current fame, Pilates started as a humble exercise regimen developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century. Joseph, born in Germany in 1883, was a man with a vision to heal his body through movement, which later transformed into a global fitness phenomenon. His journey began with his struggles with asthma and rickets, which motivated him to improve his physical strength. Joseph Pilates moved to England in 1912, where he worked as a circus performer, boxer, and self-defense instructor. However, it was during World War I, while interned as an enemy alien, that he began developing his revolutionary exercise system. Using whatever he could find, from hospital bed springs to beer keg rings, Joseph fashioned the first equipment that would later be integral to Pilates exercises. This ingenuity marked the birth of what was initially called contrology. Contrology was rooted in Joseph's belief in the importance of balance in body and mind. He dedicated his life to refining his methods, believing that mental and physical health were interrelated. After the war, Joseph returned to Germany and further honed his techniques. However, the political climate in Germany during the 1920s prompted him to relocate to the United States, where he opened the first Pilates studio in New York City in 1926, alongside his wife Clara. This studio attracted a diverse clientele that included dancers, athletes, and celebrities, which helped Pilates gain a foothold in the United States. The effectiveness of his methods in improving flexibility, core strength, and overall health quickly spread, laying down the foundation for its popularity today. Surprising facts about Pilates. While many associate Pilates with modern gym culture, few are aware of its intriguing origins and unique attributes. For instance, did you know that Pilates was initially designed as a rehabilitation program for injured soldiers during World War I? This rehabilitation aspect underscores its foundation in promoting healing and strength. Moreover, Joseph Pilates was so confident in the efficacy of his method that he famously claimed, "In 10 sessions you feel better, 20 sessions you look better, 30 sessions you have a completely new body." Another surprising fact is that Pilates equipment, now sleek and sophisticated, began as makeshift contraptions created from hospital beds. These early devices, designed to aid the rehabilitation of bedridden patients, evolved into today's refined Pilates machines like the Reformer, Cadillac, and Wunda chair. These machines are integral to performing various Pilates exercises that target different muscle groups, enhancing precision and effectiveness. Pilates also boasts a unique feature called the Pilates Principles. These principles, centering, concentration, control, precision, breath, and flow, are not just exercise mechanics but a philosophy of life. They emphasize mindful movements that integrate body and mind, which is a contrast to many exercise routines that focus solely on physical exertion. This mindful approach is why Pilates not only sculpts the body, but also clears the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Furthermore, Pilates is for everyone. It does not discriminate by age or fitness level. Instead, it offers modifications and progressions to accommodate everyone from beginners to advanced athletes. This inclusivity is part of what has made Pilates a favorite among diverse groups, ranging from elderly individuals seeking gentle exercise to elite athletes aiming for peak performance. The philosophy behind Pilates: more than exercise. Pilates is often celebrated for its physical benefits, but at its core, it is a holistic approach to wellness that integrates the mind, body, and spirit. This integration is achieved through the aforementioned Pilates principles, which guide each exercise in the Pilates regimen. By focusing on centering, practitioners begin their workouts by consciously bringing attention to the center of their body, the powerhouse area between the ribs and pubic bone, which enhances control and efficiency in movement. The principle of concentration in Pilates is not just about physical focus, but also about being present in the moment. This mental engagement is crucial, as it ensures that each movement is performed with maximum efficiency and minimal risk of injury. Similarly, the principle of control is not about rigidity, rather it's about mastering the art of movement precision. This control leads to better muscle engagement and an increased awareness of body mechanics. Precision in Pilates is not about perfection, but about engaging the correct muscles for each exercise. This precision ensures that the exercises are safe, effective, and beneficial in strengthening the body and preventing future injuries. Breath, another principle, is used not just to oxygenate the muscles, but to synchronize movement and breath. promoting a rhythm in workouts that feels like a dance between effort and ease. The final principle, flow, encapsulates the smooth, continuous movements that characterize Pilates. This fluidity ensures that each session not only trains the body, but also promotes a sense of tranquility and peace. This philosophical depth makes Pilates not merely a physical exercise, but a meditative practice, fostering a balanced and calm mind, which is as crucial for well-being as a fit body. Why Pilates is gaining popularity? In recent years, the surge in Pilates popularity can be attributed to several factors. First, as society grows more health-conscious, there is a rising appreciation for workouts that offer both mental and physical benefits. Pilates, known for enhancing mindfulness and body awareness, fits perfectly into the holistic health trend that prioritizes overall well-being over mere physical appearance. Social media and the digital age have also played significant roles in popularizing Pilates. Fitness influencers and celebrities frequently share their Pilates routines, showcasing the transformative effects it has on their bodies and minds. This visibility has demystified Pilates, making it more accessible to the general public who aspire to achieve similar results. Additionally, the availability of online Pilates classes has made it easier for people to engage with this exercise system from the comfort of their homes. The adaptability of Pilates to various needs and lifestyles is another reason for its increasing appeal. Whether someone is recovering from an injury, looking to improve their athletic performance, or simply seeking a low-impact workout that strengthens and tones, Pilates offers something for everyone. This versatility ensures that it remains relevant and beneficial across different stages of life and varying fitness levels. Lastly, the community aspect of Pilates, with studios fostering environments of support and encouragement, enhances its appeal. These communities not only provide motivation, but also create spaces where individuals can connect, share experiences, and grow together in their fitness journeys. The combination of physical benefits, adaptability, and a supportive community explains why Pilates continues to attract new enthusiasts each year, securing its place in the future of fitness. Imagine a powerhouse, a central hub where energy originates and radiates outward. In Pilates, this powerhouse isn't a physical structure, but rather a concept, a focal point that anchors your movements and empowers your practice. It resides deep within your core, encompassing the muscles surrounding your spine, abdomen, and pelvic floor. Engaging this powerhouse is the essence of centering in Pilates. Centering goes beyond simply pulling in your stomach. It's about finding a sense of balance and stability from within. It's about aligning your body and mind, creating a solid base from which all movements flow. When you center yourself, you tap into a profound sense of awareness, understanding how your body moves as a unified whole. This awareness extends beyond the mat, influencing your posture, your movements, and even your presence in the world. By strengthening your powerhouse, you not only improve your physical strength and stability, but also cultivate a sense of inner strength and resilience that translates into all aspects of your life. As you progress in your Pilates practice, you'll find that centering becomes second nature, a constant reminder to stay grounded and connected to your core, both physically and mentally. In our fast-paced world, distractions are constant, vying for our attention and pulling us in countless directions. Pilates offers a sanctuary from this mental clutter, a space to quiet the mind and reconnect with the body through the principle of concentration. Here, every movement is deliberate, every muscle engagement a conscious choice. It's about being fully present in the moment, focusing not just on the physical execution of an exercise, but also on the sensations it evokes within. Concentration in Pilates is a form of mindfulness in motion. It's about paying attention to the subtle nuances of your body, feeling the muscles lengthen and contract, noticing the rhythm of your breath. This heightened awareness allows you to refine your movements, improving their precision and effectiveness. As you concentrate on each exercise, you begin to develop a deeper understanding of your body, its strengths, and its limitations. This mind-body connection is at the heart of Pilates. It transforms a workout into a moving meditation, a practice in self-awareness and self-discovery. With consistent practice, concentration becomes less about effort and more about a natural flow of attention, a state of being fully present in the moment. This heightened awareness transcends the Pilates mat, enhancing your focus and clarity in all areas of your life. Control mastering your movements. Control, a fundamental principle in Pilates, might seem contradictory to the fluidity and grace that characterize this exercise system. However, it's this very control that allows for such fluidity. It's not about rigidity or restriction, but rather about mindful movement, about guiding your body through each exercise with precision and intention. It's about harnessing your strength to execute movements with grace and ease, preventing unnecessary strain or injury. In Pilates, control begins with the core, extending outward to every limb and muscle. It's about engaging the right muscles at the right time, moving with a sense of purpose and awareness. This level of control allows you to target specific muscle groups, promoting balanced muscle development and preventing imbalances that can lead to pain or injury. As you progress in your practice, you'll find that control becomes less about conscious effort and more about a deep-seated understanding of your body's mechanics. You'll learn to anticipate movements, engaging your muscles proactively to maintain stability and alignment. This newfound control translates beyond the Pilates mat, improving your posture, your coordination, and your overall body awareness. Precision, quality over quantity. In a world obsessed with speed and intensity, Pilates offers a refreshing alternative, a focus on precision over repetition. It's not about rushing through a set of exercises, but rather about performing each movement with meticulous attention to detail. It's about prioritizing quality over quantity, understanding that a few well-executed repetitions are far more beneficial than numerous sloppy ones. Precision in Pilates begins with proper form, ensuring that each exercise is performed with correct alignment and muscle engagement. It's about moving through the full range of motion, maintaining control and stability throughout. This focus on precision not only maximizes the effectiveness of each exercise, but also minimizes the risk of injury. As you strive for precision, you develop a heightened awareness of your body's alignment, noticing even the slightest deviations from proper form. This awareness allows you to make subtle adjustments, continually refining your movements and maximizing their benefits. This principle extends beyond the Pilates studio, encouraging you to approach all your movements with a newfound sense of awareness and intention. The 100 breathing life into your core. The 100, a cornerstone exercise in Pilates, is often the first one introduced to beginners. Don't let its apparent simplicity fool you. This exercise is a powerhouse for building core strength and stamina. It involves lying on your back, lifting your legs to a tabletop position, or extending them at a 45-degree angle for a more advanced variation, and lifting your head and shoulders off the mat, engaging your core. The magic of the 100 lies in the breath. As you pump your arms up and down with controlled movements, you synchronize your breath with the movements, inhaling for a count of 5 and exhaling for a count of 5. This rhythmic breathing pattern not only oxygenates your muscles but also activates your deep core muscles, promoting stability and endurance. As you repeat this breath movement cycle for a total of 100 counts, you'll feel your core muscles working hard, your abdominal muscles tightening, and your breath becoming more rhythmic and controlled. The 100 is not just about building a strong core, it's about cultivating a connection between your breath, your body, and your mind. It teaches you to find stability from within, a skill that translates into all aspects of your Pilates practice and everyday life. Roll up, articulating your spine, strengthening your center. The roll-up is another fundamental Pilates exercise that gracefully combines core strength, spinal articulation, and flexibility. It begins with you lying on your back, legs extended, arms reaching overhead. Inhaling deeply, you initiate the movement by lifting your head and shoulders, peeling your spine off the mat one vertebra at a time, engaging your core muscles to control the movement. As you exhale, you continue to roll up, reaching your arms towards your toes, feeling a stretch through your back and hamstrings. The key to a successful roll-up is not to rely on momentum, but rather to use the strength of your core muscles to control the movement throughout. It's about finding a balance between strength and flexibility, articulating your spine with grace and control. With each repetition of the roll-up, you'll feel your abdominal muscles working to lift and lower your torso, your back muscles engaging to support your spine, and your breath guiding the flow of movement. The roll-up not only strengthens your core and improves your flexibility, but also promotes body awareness, teaching you to move with precision and control from your center. Small steps lead to big changes. Keep progressing towards your health goals. Let's move, let's nourish, let's thrive. Until our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.